How to stake BNB Coin, easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how to stake BNB Coin. So let's get into it. Now to get started with staking BNB, you need to choose your crypto marketplace. So a lot of different marketplaces have a lot of different systems or staking limits, and today we will be using Binance primarily. So we do already have videos on how to get started with Binance. So once you actually have created your account and provided verification, you do actually have to get your account verified. So you have to verify your identity. You can do that with a driver's license, a ID card, or a passport, and then you are going to be able to begin trading on Binance. So to get started with staking BNB, the first thing you need to do is go into your wallet and you need to deposit some money into it. So you can choose to deposit fiat. So that is, the cryptocurrency. You're going to deposit like money, and then you're going to use the USDT or USDC to buy your actual crypto. So you can choose to buy BNB. And once you have bought BNB in your account, in your crypto wallet that is on Binance, you can even transfer your cryptocurrency. So if you have MetaMask set up or Phantom wallet, whatever kind of wallet that you might be using, you can choose to transfer money into your crypto wallet on Binance. Once you have actually done that, then you can begin earning money with BNB staking. So staking is a form of earning in cryptocurrencies, and if we go into the earn section over here, if you simply click on Binance Earn over here and you click on this, so once you do that, you can see staking is an option. So you're just going to click on staking over here, and you have multiple different types of staking. So first off, you have the basic staking, and staking is where you actually hold your cryptocurrency for a certain amount of time, and then after that, you can retrieve your cryptocurrency and you get a interest. So it's kind of like holding money in a savings account. You get interest, and then after a certain number of days, you can retrieve your initial investment as well. Now, if we take a look at the BNB staking, if you go into protected over here, so we've clicked on Binance Earn, then you're going to click on staking, then you're going to click on protected. So this kind of staking is considered one of the most safest versions of staking, simply because you hold your money for a certain number of days, and usually it's not that long, so you don't have to worry about the price of the crypto token decreasing or devaluing, because sometimes if the staking period is very long, so let's say, just for example, this crypto token over here, the duration is 120 days. So if I have actually staked some of this coin, and even if the APR is 30%, if the value of the cryptocurrency depreciates to 30% lower than the current price, then I won't actually be making any money. Instead, I will simply just be making even with my losses. So that is something to keep in mind whenever you are looking to do BNB coin staking or any kind of coin staking. Now, to stake BNB, all you have to do is click on expand over here. Then you're just going to scroll down and you can see the BNB coin right over here. So the BNB coin on Binance has a 6.20% APR, and the lock date is 120 days. So that is quite a long amount of time. So to get started with staking, simply click on subscribe on the right side of your screen. And once you have clicked on subscribe, so we're just going to click on subscribe. And now you can see over here, they're going to show you the different durations. Now you can see it even actually has 60 days available. So 60 days is currently available. Then if we click on 90 days, that has sold out. So 120 days and 60 days of a lock duration on BNB is currently available on the BNB coin. Now after that, you will just enter your maximum amount of coins that you want to invest. Make sure you're investing money that you don't need to use within the actual subscription date. So make sure you don't have to use that money within the next 2 months or 3 months. You can live without it, because you don't want to stake money in a crypto staking pool and then later on you need that money during that time it is staked and you cannot retrieve it under any kind of circumstance. So you're just going to enter your cryptocurrency, and then you can choose to auto subscribe, turn off auto subscribe if you want to automatically resubscribe to this specific kind of BNB staking after the duration has ended. So after the 120 days, if you want to subscribe again. Now the minimum amount is 0.001 BNB, and the available quota, so the total amount that you can actually stake currently on Binance, is 0.5 BNB, and for the 60-day duration you can actually stake over 2000 BNB, and the minimum is 0.1 BNB. So you can choose whatever package seems more preferable to you. A lot of the times, the longer time period that you stake your money for, the larger the interest yield that you get. Now you can see on the right side of your screen, you have your subscription date, you have your valuation date, you have your interest end date, and the redemption date. So the redemption date is when you can actually retrieve your initial investment, so the initial amount of subscription, the initial subscription amount that I put in, I can only retrieve it after the redemption date. So that is something to change. That is something to, make sure that you know how long your money is going to be in that staking pool. And you can see the estimated APR that it's going to give me. It's for 60 days, it is around 3%, and for 120 days, it's 6%. Then you can see they have some basic information. You're going to click on I agree, and then you're just going to confirm your purchase. Now, after that, in terms of staking, this is like the basic form of staking. You also have high yield staking. So if you click on high yield over here, you have a liquidity and swap kind of trades available. And if you click on see more results over here, you can actually earn BNB as a reward on this kind of staking. And you have BNB combos as well in staking. So you have hard/BNB. You also have IDEX/BNB, Woo/BNB. So a lot of the BNB based tokens are available for you to earn as well. You can choose a dual investment with any kind of crypto token over here, and you can go ahead with DeFi staking as well if you don't want to stake BNB directly. So you can not only earn BNB based on an initial staking investment, but also do a liquidity swap where you will be providing liquidity for the exchange, and then in turn you will get rewards based on the number of days that you are holding your money in the liquidity pools for. Then you also have a basic auto invest feature, so you can choose to auto invest in a predetermined way, and you can set up a certain amount of money that you want to invest in BNB or any other crypto token. You can see if you click on the auto invest section, you have the historical ROI, so that is the return on investment, and you can select for how many days you want to do that. You can click on create a plan over here, and they will actually show you how to build your own auto invest plan, and you can choose a specific payment, how much amount of USDT or dollars that you want to invest after how much time, so on and so forth. You would be purchasing a BNB token on a specific interval of time, and this will allow you to increase your portfolio. This is a lot more helpful for people that are looking to diversify their portfolio. But for people that are looking to do staking and you feel like you've tried and tested in staking and it's not working out for you, you can choose to do auto invest because they are pretty safe and they're pretty reliable, and you can, liquidate your money at any time if you ever do need to use it. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.